Hey, what's up, Harmony One holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Harmony. So, what's going on, my friends? This is the emergency and urgent update of Harmony. Keep watch this video and never miss 1 second of this video, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, but please click the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important for all of you. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update of cryptocurrencies market. Let me show you, friends, the latest update. Harmony One latest price and live price of the Harmony in the market is 0.07 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Harmony, and as you can see, the BTC Bitcoin price is 0.0000211 BTC as the currently live price of the Harmony and the market. And if you look the 24 hours volume, you can see here market cap, available supply, total supply, every update you on the front of your eyes. You can easily read it and you can update yourself, my friends, about your Harmony. At this time, my friends, you know what the main issue is? Price. People ask me questions about the price, that when will the price pump, and as there is a chance to the price pump. People ask me this type of question. You can see here negative 0.17% price changes occur in the Harmony One, and 24 hours volume is negative 9.07% is the 24 hours trading volume. And the last 1 weekend, the pricing is completely going wrong. The 24 hours, last 1 hour, last 1 week, everything is going wrong in the Harmony, my friends. So that is why people ask me question that there is a chance to the price pump. My friends, I have good news for all of you. You can see here at this time, look at the corner. You can see here this time the Harmony start pump. At this time the Harmony start pumping. So first of all, I want to congratulate. And on the other side, if you look the previous time changes occur in the Harmony, so you can easily see that the price of Harmony is completely going fast down, occur in the Harmony. Anyways, my prediction is going positive about Harmony, and I really recommend for this time to hold and buy more and more if you want profit. Especially the short-term investor, it's the buying time, because now the pumping is start now. So absolutely, if they start pumping, so they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.